people. I wonder how these celebrities manage. Yeah, I mean, when I have to just re-record a single 1 minute video, I'm like, oh my god, so much effort, you know. So no, the reason my previous video, and like I have to reshoot it. I'm speaking right now, so it's like I've been analyzing many of these celebrities, and just what is it that makes them so good looking. And I realize with regard to Disha Patani, it's her yeah, there's a certain transparency, a certain innocence that you can see in her face. Innocence is like you can literally read her mind. Like she's got, unka kafi saaf man hoga. So I think that's what makes her look so pretty in the end. And really, yeah. So I think the key to looking good is is being malang or happy, because it's that in itself makes you beautiful. Yeah, so it's should be a sincere aim for all of us to be as malang as Disha Patani, and as transparent and sweet. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.